Hello, tubers! Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unveiling today of my mystery card kit from Not Too Shabby. I really love these things. So the really cool part is that they are basically exactly like the mystery card kits from Scrapping for Less. I think what we're doing is we're going to use up all the mystery card kits from Scrapping for Less, and then maybe we'll get them from Not Too Shabby. So this is exactly what you used to get from from Scrapping for Less. I'm mixing them up. So you would get a stamp set. This one is indeed from Scrapping for Less, and it is a Happy Valentine's Day stamp set, and it says you plus me equals hearts. There's a little banner die, crafted with love by, Happy Valentine's Day, a true friend, another little heart there, little hearts there, little hearts everywhere. More importantly, there's this lovely love die that's got big love there, a little heart there. We've got a packet of Shana confetti sequins. Confetti sequins are the ones without the holes in it. I love me some sparkle. I'll probably use those by gluing them on. In true Kathy Zilski boop fashion, probably. We got some dimensional stickers, scrapbook adhesives. So little dimensional squares. We'll pop something up. And then we get 6 pieces of cardstock. Okay? So this is what we got. I got one of these kits, but I got a different kit from this in February of, my God, have they been gone for a whole year now? So not February of 2020, maybe February of 2019, whenever the last time they were handing out these kits. So here you go. We've got dots, red and white dots on this side, and we've got red, blue, light pink and dark pink dots on that side. And we've got the hearts in the same color that the dots are on this side on a white background with little white hearts and arrows on that side. So we've got the blue background, light blue background, same light blue with white hearts. And we've got a white background with red hearts on this side. Houndstooth, nice pink houndstooth. Ooh, and some pink dots with some red. We've got some really nice houndstooth. There we go. That's kind of cool. We've got some arrows. I think if I remember in my kit, I got the arrow stencil. So what you always got in the mystery kit was you always got one embellishment, some kind of embellishment, either buttons or sequins or twine or something, and then you got some sort of decorative thing. You got a die, you got a stencil, you got something. And I'm pretty sure when I got the kit from this, I got the stencil, the arrow stencil. So maybe I'll break that out to make these cards. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I don't know what I'll do. And here's love with the little arrows. Oh, and that's cute too. Look at that. So what I'm going to do with these, I am going to do, make some cards do the Cards by Kendra challenge number 3, where she gives you, in this case, it's 16 different card sketches. And you take 6 pieces of paper and you cut them up into 6 and put them into 16 little piles, and then you make them into 16 different cards. So I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to use, but I'm going to use these 6 pieces of paper and probably some dimensionals and maybe these. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. First, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut out my pieces of paper. So stay tuned, because at the end of all of this, you will see the cards that I made. They're going to be encouragement cards, maybe praying for you card, maybe love you card. I don't know what kind of cards they're going to be, but they will be with this paper. We shall see what we shall see. Stay tuned through the magic of the camera. Ta-da! Look at that. And we're back. So, as I said, through the magic of the camera, I have completed Kendra's card challenge number 3 with the kit. So again, here we go. Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. And I love the way that she's got them not only color-coded, but see the little scissors? Do you see the little scissors? So the scissors and the arrows tell you that if you've got a directional paper, this is the way the paper should be going, because this is the way the paper will go on the cards. And this right here is the first cut you're going to make. This is the first cut you're going to make. So Kendra makes it really easy for y'all. Okay, so there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you just print them out. You can leave them on your phone too. And then she gives you color-coded this is where the papers go. So that's paper number 1 or A. This is paper B. And this is paper C. So that's mainly, and there's some more paper C. There, D, there. This is paper E right there. And all the other colors of paper are different colors of paper that you can coordinate however you want. And she says quite clearly to sort of do them however you want. See, this can be any shape here. This can be any shape. Any shape. These are embellishments. So she gives suggestions, but she says, remember to change it up so they're your cards. So anyway, so she has 16 cards out of that stack. So that's what I have here. I have 16 cards. Most of them are encouragement cards, because that's what I send out. So card sketch number 1, there it is. I have stamps left and the die left, and I have what I've been hiding from my bird, this many sequins left. Yes, that's what I have left. That's actually, I think this is a different set of sequins, because I think I'll show you what I did with the rest of the other sequins. But this is the sequins I got when I got my first pack, and here he comes. Do you see him? Do you see him? Do you see this right here? This is what happens when your bird wants to get your sequin pack. No, those are not yours. Those are mommy's. Here, take this and run away. Take that and run away. Go, go. Go out of my video. That's an almond he's eating, by the way. So it's your day. This is it's a die by, I think by CZ Designs, but I'm not sure. Embellishments are probably from Lucy's Little Gems. These are Love from Lizzie peel-offs, and who knows where the cardstock came from. Probably Cardstock Warehouse. So there you go. There's card number 1. This is card number 2, according to the design. This, by the way, is the background of the latest butterfly die from Waffle Flower. The die with the little butterflies in a circle, you can sort of see them. The butterflies go this way, and then there's another butterfly, and then there's a circle, and then it's blank in the middle. Yeah, that. So I use some sequins. This stamp, It Gets Better, is a sentiment from Ink Road Stamps. I love them. I think it's from one of their LGBTQ sets. I have a lot of people in my lives that I give support to, whose parents do stupid things like, I have no idea why your parents would kick you out of the house or find you less loving for who you love. But there you have it. So here, indeed, this is the die that came with the set. This love die. There you go. This Sending Hugs is a Lawn Fawn, one of the Lawn Fawn sentiment strips. There you go. There's number 3. This is number 4. This Hello die is from MFT, My Favorite Things. I think that one came out really great. I really like that. Some of these cards are a little more masculine. Some of them are a little more feminine, which I also like. So remember always to keep your bits. Okay? Look, it's the middle of that die. It's your day. Yeah, so these can be congratulations cards. They can be anniversary cards for things. I like this. I don't remember where this heart date came from. I actually cut it down, and we are not the world's most gracious eater, but it's keeping him away from my cards. So there we have it. So I don't remember. This is number 5. Here we go. Number 6. Remember it said embellishments over here? And so originally this square was turned that way, but I didn't really like that. So I turned it the other way. I really like this card design. I thought it was kind of cool. So there's another congratulations card that you can give to somebody. I think that's pretty cool. So that's number 6. This one's number 7. You're doing awesome. Again, this one is a Kathy Zilski die from Simon Says Stamp. I'm pretty sure that's a Kathy Zilski die too. I don't know where this one came from. This heart came from MFT. These little hearts also came from MFT. You're Doing Awesome is a basic die from Simon Says Stamp. I like those. Again, I'm pretty sure the gems came from Little Things by Lucy. So number 8. Yep, number 8. I like the way that came out. I like the little strips on the side there. And as I said, a little heart. This high is just an alphabet that I had. Actually, I'm trying to remember. It might be the serif alphabet from Concord and Ninth. I'm not sure. But it might be the Recollections alphabet, which is a little bit smaller. So this is one of the ones that I really like. This is number 9. This is a Pretty Pink Posh die. It says with love on there, and I made it into a shaker. Don't try to read it. I was just playing. And indeed, that's what I did with all those sequins, and I got some more out. And there's more sequins in there, but I think that one came out cute. Yes, I do. And somebody's jumping around. This is number 10. This one has glossy accents on it. This is the Pretty Pink Posh sentiment. Have courage, I believe in you. I like that one too. Thought that was kind of nice. So this is number 11. Insides of some little hearts. Actually, these are the insides of the heart background die from Simon Says Stamp. And this is a Tonic Studio die set of rectangles. This sentiment you can't get anymore, but this is also from Ink Road Stamps. It was sold as a free with purchase. It wasn't sold, actually. It was a free with purchase, and it was only available for a little while there. I really like that. You are the hero of your own story. Really nice. Very nice there. I also like this one. So I watched Kendra do this, and she just glues her string right down. So that's what I did. I glued my string right down. This is a tiny little tag from Sunny Studios. It's the tiniest tag in their thing. Here are the little tiny butterflies from that die. I was using it to make a different card. Again, congratulations comes from the Lawn Fawn. Number 12? Number 12. It's number 12. I put the numbers on the back until I send them out, and then I can do that one. So, and I bought these little bows just like this, I think at Michael's, like ages and eons ago. And do not ever underestimate the power of little glue dots. Yeah, there you go. And here you go. As I said, she glued the string right down. I like it. Look, isn't that cool? Pewter Nuvo Drops. There you go. Congratulations by Honeybee Stamps. Little offset because I glued those down first and then I couldn't get this underneath. Oh well. You know what? I like the way the card came out. I like these on the sides. I think these ones, I don't know where those ones came from, but those, you can tell the difference. Like, you can tell the difference. These are not from Lucy's Things, Lucy's Gems. Those are cheapy knockoffs, and they're not as sparkly. So see, you get what you pay for. What can I say? And now this card, yeah, this is number 14. So I left this one to dry overnight, and we're not going to get too close because while I was sleeping, my bird picked all of the sequins off of it, and I had to re-glue the sequins all down. I had to glue down bigger sequins to cover up all the spaces where he ripped the paper. Yeah. So this is indeed the same love die, but I cut the heart off the end because I just wanted the little bit there. So that came out nice. I like that one. Yeah. And then this one is a Love Ya die. This was Love You from Simon Says Stamp. They're sold together. I just did the love part, and for somebody who needs an encouragement card. And these little hearts came in a set from MFT. I don't even think they're available anymore, but they're really kind of nice. And I like the way that card came out. I like the little extra sparkle. And then finally, because I was cutting lots of these hearts to get the right kinds and insides and outsides, and then I thought, well, I've got some extras of those, so there. And that came out kind of nice. I like it. I like it. So that's my set of cards. So as I said, I've got none of the original sequins left. I've got the die and the stamp set. So not too shabby. So let's see. Oh, and you may have noticed that I also have a brand new backing. That came from Amazon. Proving that I come from a British family. Yeah. Amazon. Yeah. Okay, these are all. I'm looking for these cards. There we go. There are my 8 cards. So you can do a lot of different things with these cards. So there's my set of all of my vertical cards. Very cool. I like them. Encouragements, hellos, very nice. I'll leave pictures of them at the end of the video so you can stopgap and see them. I'm also going to put pictures up in the Facebook groups like Share Handmade Kindness and the other ones too. And so here are all of the horizontal cards, landscape cards. They're called landscape when you're doing cards. There you go. There you go. So how exciting. I have some friends who just gave birth to twins today, as a matter of fact. So shout out to them and their lovely little twin boys. So maybe I will send that to them today too in their package. There you have them all. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you really go over to Cards by Kendra. Kendra Morgan is her name. cardsbykendra.com is the website. She has a blog and you can download the instructions. There is a prize, but more importantly, man, this is fun to get a set of cards. You can use them as a gift. You can use them just as a way to get rid of 6 pieces of paper and a whole bunch of fun. And it's just fun to put together. It usually takes me about a day to put them all together and get everything crafted and put together. And it's a creative challenge that's good for the brain. There's also a Facebook group. Get some more challenge in there. I hope you enjoy it. I will talk to you again soon. Bye.